Hi, and going deeper into the twin flame journey, I will take you through how to invite your true twin flame. Maybe your current experience is like very much into separation, and you believe in that separation because you are not able to see what you are desiring within your heart. You are not able to see that love in your reality, and at times it happens that you are not able to heal yourself and really connect with your true twin flame within your heart. Or there could be a possibility that you are experiencing a false twin flame and you believe that uh, like you don't deserve love. Or it may be the situation that you are very new to the twin flame and you don't have anyone in your reality, and you are absolutely open to receive your true twin flame. So in all this situation, it is very nice to connect with that feeling of your true twin flame energy. And when you connect with that true twin flame energy, it will be very natural that universe will bring both of you closer, because you connect within, and you see your reality, or in your physical life, or is in your 3D life, you are connected, you are coming closer. So for that, you can just close your eyes, and it's only you who knows, it's only you who knows who your true twin flame is. Okay, so, and your true twin flame in the reality is actually a reflection of how you feel about your relationship with your true twin flame within your heart. Okay, so connect your just close your eyes and just release all those things that is bothering you now, and just bring back all your energy back into your heart center. Just tune into that peace and love that is eternally present within you. And just make a choice that I choose to connect with my true twin flame. I choose to receive eternal love. I choose to receive God as my lover, and I choose to receive my harmonious union with my twin flame in reality. Feel in the presence of God in the form of that gentle breeze that you are feeling on your skin, or maybe some sweet voice or some sweet song passing through your ears. All that are the confirming energy how you are feeling within your heart. feel your twin flame completely, how they feel like, how loving are they, how much they care you, how much they desire you. As you are seeking them, they are also seeking you deeply. As you choose to release all those separation consciousness and choose to be in union with God, they are just waiting for that moment. They are still waiting some miracle to happen so that they can be with you. Do you choose to flow into that miracle? Know that God can do anything. Do you believe that God loves you unconditionally? Do you believe that all this universe is designed in a way so that you experience a beautiful life when you are making your journey here? To just release anything that is holding you back and just make a choice to pass through the door of harmonious union easily with your true twin flame. Let this sink into your heart completely. You can feel their presence with you. You can feel their touch. You can feel their voice. They are talking to you. Just listen to them and choose to receive completely. You don't have to correct everything around you to make your harmonious union happen. You are enough. You are complete to receive your twin flame now. Just release all the illusion that is making you believe that there is a lot you have to do to come into harmonious union. Know that that's a lie. Do you choose to flow into harmonious union energy now? Then surrender completely. Let every door opens to your harmonious union. Let it be easy. Let it be safe. Let your path to your harmonious union be paved in the petals. Just see, just feel your feet. You are putting each step towards your harmonious union on a path that is full of petals. Let each step make you feel soft and easy when you are making your journey towards your harmonious union. Every step of this journey, let make it feel you that you are in harmonious union now. Just flow with this music. And slowly open your eyes or continue to be in this vibration with this music.